These are our colors. We're using some of this little piggy pigments in Show Pony and in Mermaid. Ooh, beautiful. And oh, here's the consistency of our Show Pony. Very pretty. Such a beautiful pop of color. So it doesn't look very thin. It's fairly thick, leaving a mound on a mound, but sinking into itself very quickly. Beautiful consistency. So this is paint mixed with pouring medium and binder. And now we have some Tri-Art Fluid Art paints. Looks like we have Brilliant Purple and Dioxazine Violet. And now we have Phthalo Blue and I think Prussian. And we have some Amsterdam Prussian Blue and Extreme Sheen in 24 karat gold. Okay, so we have all of our colors. This is going to be a beautiful palette. Oh, and we have Vallejo Pearl Medium mixed in with our pouring medium also for our white. So now we're going to layer our cups. Start with some of that beautiful phthalo blue. Such a gorgeous color. So you always want to layer your cups with contrast. Light, dark, light, dark, light, dark will give you the best visual. Now we're using that beautiful pop, that Show Pony, our pop color. Such a gorgeous pink. And some 24 karat gold. And now our phthalo blue. And this little piggy pigments in Mermaid. This is such a gorgeous color. If you haven't ever tried Mermaid, that's definitely one for your list because it's absolutely stunning. The Dioxazine Violet, some more gold, just little bits of gold, and more phthalo, and some more Mermaid. It's a beautiful color palette. Those cups are so pretty. It looks like they're laying down a runway of that violet color to pour into. Oh, looks like we're going back through it to create some more pretty effects and maybe change up the colors that are on the surface. Okay, this is beautiful though, with those beautiful darker blues and that Dioxazine Violet against the Show Pony and the Pearl. Really, really pretty with the Mermaid. Beautiful pour. But take your time when you're doing the Wandering Straight pours. Don't pour it too fast. Don't be in a rush. You keep your cup closer to the canvas, you'll get more fingerlings. If your cup is higher up, you'll get more blending and more of those fine wispy lines, which are also amazingly beautiful. Okay, there's one cup. Wow, that's so pretty. Look at all those gorgeous fingerlings. This is so amazing. It almost looks three-dimensional. Really beautiful. So here's our runway again. Beautiful. Really pretty. I love how you see like that just outline of the darker phthalo blue around the lighter mermaid and in the middle of all that show pony. It's so pretty. Really beautiful. So just adding some more fingerlings in to create interest in here. And we are at the end of the cup. Very nice. So we're using a skewer to create some loop-de-loop little wrecks in the center there where the two pores joined, just to create some more interest. Very pretty. Not too much, just a little bit. And now we're going to torch out any air bubbles. Tilting slowly. It's so beautiful watching the paint move in a wave like that. So we're not taking anything off yet at this point. We're just distributing the weight of the paint evenly around the canvas. Okay, we're adding some more wrecks with the skewer. Oh, that's so pretty. So now we're going off the corner, and now we're going to stretch it out and open it up after we've anchored it. And now down to this corner. Really beautiful colors together. Almost looks like that Venetian paper, the Florentine paper with all the beautiful lines. Oh, this is really pretty. And I really like that little blue and white design. Okay, and now we're going to bring it back towards the center again and open up that edge now that we've anchored it. This is very pretty though. And just a few minor adjustments to the composition. Maybe take a little bit off of this side to anchor it and probably open up those fingerlings. I love when they're floating down the back edge, it's so beautiful. And now everything is going to be opened up a little bit, moving the weight of the paint back towards the center. Here's our wet results. Beautiful colors. Look at all of those gorgeous cells. Very three-dimensional. Lots of glow in there. That show pony and the pearl medium just totally make this have like some oh wow, look at that. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful color. Hello, show pony. And of course Mermaid is in there too. We can't forget her, because she is gorgeous also. Mermaid is the lighter turquoise color. Very, very pretty. Beautiful piece. And here's our dried results. Just look at that. Wow, look at that shimmer. So beautiful. You see a little bit of gold in there, and that pretty deeper dioxazine violet, and the more pinky red violet, and then we also have show pony in there as well. But look at what the show pony is doing. He's creating that like metallic glow right there with the mermaid too. So pretty. And those beautiful wispy fingerlings with some little cells. Gorgeous movement. There's the center part that they wrecked a little bit. And there's the show pony, that corner that was tilted at the end. Oh, such beautiful details. So amazing. This is wonderful. Such a great piece. Beautiful contrast between that pearl and the show pony and the mermaid, and those darker blues and that dioxazine violet. So this was a lot of fun. So can you guys guess who this is? I hope you can. I will let you know in our next video. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great day.